when it comes to tackling stubborn stains and maintaining cleanliness. This BISSELL Little Green Proheat Portable Deep Cleaner Model 2513E stands out as an exceptional choice. Designed for convenience, efficiency, and versatility, this spot cleaner is perfect for households with pets, kids, or anyone who needs a reliable solution for carpets and upholstery cleaning. Let's delve into what makes this cleaner a must-have for your home. Why you should buy the BISSELL Little Green Proheat Portable Deep Cleaner. There are several compelling reasons to invest in the BISSELL Little Green Proheat Portable Deep Cleaner. Consistent cleaning performance. Heatwave technology ensures consistent water temperature for optimal stain removal. Compact and portable. Easy to carry and store. Perfect for quick cleanups around the house or car. Versatile cleaning tools. The 3-inch tough stain tool tackles a variety of surfaces and stains. Self-cleaning feature. The HydroRinse tool makes it easy to maintain the cleaner, ensuring it's always ready for use. Pet-friendly. Effectively removes pet stains and odors, supporting a clean and fresh home environment. The BISSELL Little Green Proheat Portable Deep Cleaner features a sleek and compact design, making it easy to store and transport. Its ergonomic build ensures that you can carry it around the house or to your car with minimal effort. The cleaner is predominantly composed of durable plastic, which keeps it lightweight without compromising on sturdiness. The well-thought-out design includes easy-to-use buttons and a clear layout, ensuring that even first-time users can operate it with ease. The cleaner's 37 Oz tank capacity strikes a balance between size and usability. It's large enough to handle significant cleaning tasks without being too cumbersome to fill, empty, or store. The tanks are removable, making the filling and emptying processes straightforward and mess-free. One of the standout features of the BISSELL Little Green Proheat is its heatwave technology. This technology maintains a consistent water temperature throughout the cleaning process, ensuring optimal performance. Consistent heat helps to break down stains more effectively, providing a deeper and more thorough clean. The 3-inch tough stain tool is perfect for targeting stubborn spots on carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors. The powerful suction and brush work together to lift away dirt, grime, and pet hair, leaving your surfaces looking fresh and clean. The included trial-size professional spot and Stain Plus Oxy formula enhances the cleaner's ability to remove tough stains, ensuring you get professional-grade results at home. Using the BISSELL Little Green Proheat Portable Deep Cleaner is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive design and user-friendly features. The self-cleaning HydroRinse tool is a game-changer, allowing you to rinse the hose after each use to remove any buildup of pet hair, dirt, or lingering odors. This feature not only extends the lifespan of the cleaner, but also ensures that it's always ready for the next use. The removable water tanks are easy to fill and empty, minimizing the hassle typically associated with portable cleaners. The controls are straightforward, and the cleaner operates quietly, allowing you to clean without disturbing your household. The BISSELL Little Green Proheat is designed to be versatile, catering to a variety of cleaning needs. Whether you're dealing with pet messes on the carpet, spilled drinks on the couch, or dirt and debris in your car, this cleaner has you covered. The 3-inch tough stain tool is versatile enough to handle a range of surfaces, providing consistent results across different materials. The cleaner's compact size makes it ideal for cleaning stairs, upholstery, area rugs, and even auto interiors. Its powerful suction and heatwave technology ensure that no stain is too tough, and its portability means you can easily move it from one cleaning task to another. For pet owners, the BISSELL Little Green Proheat offers additional benefits. The cleaner's powerful suction and specialized formula effectively remove pet stains and odors, helping to keep your home fresh and clean. BISSELL also supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which helps save homeless pets. When you purchase this cleaner, you're not just investing in a clean home, but also contributing to a noble cause. Final thoughts. The BISSELL Little Green Proheat Portable Deep Cleaner is a versatile and powerful tool that makes maintaining a clean home easier than ever. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills or stubborn pet stains, this cleaner provides professional-grade results in a compact and portable package. Its user-friendly features, consistent performance, and pet-friendly benefits make it a worthwhile investment for any household. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.